not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of our chairperson, Architect Vibha Jain Sethi, and Committee of Flow Indore, I, Dr. Priyanka Mokshmar, welcome you all as we celebrate the 10th anniversary of Flow Indore chapter, marking a decade of empowering women and encouraging leadership through the prestigious Trailblazer Award. We are honored to have with us Shri Shankar Lalwani ji, Member of Parliament at Lok Sabha, Ms. Joyshri Das Verma, National President of FICCI Flow, our all esteemed past chair, distinguished guests, the Flow Committee, our dear Flow members and their spouses and guests who are here to inspire and motivate us. I would like to request everyone to kindly put their phones on silent mode, please. Thank you. Let us now rise and stand together for the national anthem. Thank you so much. We now begin this auspicious occasion with the lamp lighting, symbolizing the triumph of knowledge and wisdom. I request our chairperson to escort Shri Lalwani ji, Joyshri ji for the lamp lighting. I also request our founder chair, Ms. Aarti Sanghi, immediate past chair, Ms. Mamta Bakliwal, our past chairs, Ms. Meghna Wadhwani, Ms. Neha Mittal, Ms. Rekha Mehta, Ms. Bhavna Bhalla, and Ms. Payal Agrawal to join for the lamp lighting ceremony, please. Management Solutions, Joyshri ji is the director and co-promoter of Capro Management Solutions Private Limited, a leading pan-India HR consulting company. Apart from being the national president of FICCI Flow, representing and empowering over 12,000 women entrepreneurs and professionals across India, she is also serving as the Honorary Council of Israel for Northeast India, promoting bilateral relations between India and Israel. Under her guidance, Flow has reached new heights, and today we are moving towards a stronger and brighter future with her leadership. I request Vibhaji to kindly escort Joyshri ji on stage, please. A huge round of applause for ma'am. May we have a huge round of applause, please? Thank you, Aarti ji and Mamta ji. We are Wadhwani to please escort Lalwani ji on stage, please. Thank you so much. I request the dignitaries to kindly take seats off stage while we move ahead with the evening, who have poured their heart and soul into this performance. Let's enjoy this mesmerizing rendition as they take us on a spiritual journey through their art form. I now invite Vibhaji to deliver her chairperson's address, please.
Hello and a very warm welcome to all the members, guests, dignitaries, Lalwani ji, Joyshri ji, our past chairs. We are so honored to have you all here. Thank you so much for joining us. Today is a special day because it is a showcase of Flow Indore. What a lovely evening with you, Joyshri ji. With you around from Guwahati, Lalwani ji always encouraging us with his support. We are highly obliged. It has been a very fruitful day starting with the convocation ceremony of 40 girls batch early in the morning at 10 a.m. whom Flow Indore has adopted and trained in software for a year. To brief you all, Flow Indore adopted 40 underprivileged girls and trained them to become software programmers in collaboration with Infobeams Foundation. These students are from non-technical graduate courses like BA, BCom and BBA. This rigorous daily training schedules spread over a year focused on building Java programming and English communication skills, which are needed for a software company. I am thankful to Flow members for their active participation in referring a student, adopting a student, one-to-one mentoring of the students, Skilldan, and recruiting students. Girls for this batch were referred by our Flow members were either the connection of their house help or their office staff. Adopt a student. 8 Flow members sponsored our students by donating rupees 25,000 per student. Gratitude to Flow members. Remaining cost was borne by Infobeams Foundation. Our members volunteered to mentor a girl. They regularly visited and groomed them. These mentors worked hard as guardians and guides. The members from Flow Indore voluntarily conducted expert sessions under Skilldan. This enhanced the skills of students and groomed them for the corporate world. We are proud to say that we have completed the course of this batch successfully and now looking forward to place them in corporates in IT companies. Happy to share their placement effort is in full swing. I'm glad to share that 16 students have received their job offers so far and remaining are awaiting results. I'm proud to declare 2 students received a starting salary of 3 lakhs per annum. This is about the social impact that Flow tried to create and how our Flow members participated in it. Now, let's talk about the term this year and the vision behind it. AV team, can we have the theme video, please? Our motto this year was to positively impact our members. Grow with Flow believes in holistic growth, which includes growth of individual members with programs like course at IIM Bangalore, courses on branding and marketing, creativity, and ChatGPT to an extent that now I get every message in the morning through ChatGPT. Growth of members' businesses with events like Flow Spotlight, Flow Trailblazer, Happy Wallet, Yoga Week, Gem Workshop. Growth of members' participation like in Alpha Squad, Flow Premier League. Growth in vision with programs like Parliament Visit, President Meet, KBC and soulful events like Dialogue in the Dark. Growth by raising our voice by making of white paper for working women and take a stand by social media protest against Kolkata rape case. Growth with family with events like celebrating Mother's Day in a unique way. Grow with society by programs like Adopt a Weaver, Swavlambam Initiative, Financial and Digital Literacy, and Rural Livelihood Initiative. And still stay humble despite all growth like Sudha Murthy ji. Today, the presentation is about how Flow impacted its member and helped them grow with Flow. When we started the year, we wished for higher engagement and participation from members. We wished to help them in growing their businesses. Look at the composition of our members. We have 45% of entrepreneurs, 19% professionals, 24% homemakers, and 22% solopreneurs. After analysis, we curated and tried targeting each segment. To start with, for established entrepreneurs, Flow has collaborated with IIM Bangalore for a Goldman Sachs Women Entrepreneur Program. It was launched on 10th of April when a team from NSRCEL IIM Bangalore visited Indore to introduce this program. It is a 3 months free of cost program for women entrepreneurs with minimum revenue of 30 lakhs per annum. Happy to share that 11 members have successfully completed this program. We also have our past chairperson, Ms. Mamta Bakliwal, and a batch of 5 from her company who attended Stanford's Seed Corporate Program. She Rise is another program that helped our startups to create a pitch deck for investors and present their business. Flow Indore have 4 finalists from this course out of 10 participants from Indore. For solopreneurs, during the year, we did various programs to promote as many members from our community as possible. Just to cite few examples, Yoga Week was a celebration of our members' businesses who were into fitness. We had exclusively planned the week to showcase our in-house businesses. We provided a platform to our solopreneurs to promote their business through Yoga Week and DIY creative workshops, Flow Spotlight, Flow Premier League, and even Trailblazer Awards. We had Flow Spotlight, a unique fashion show, the talk of the town, by Flow members, for Flow members in all sense. That was a showcase of 16 fashion designers, 5 makeup artists, 7 classical dancers who revived their hidden talent of classical dance. Just now you saw the dance that was, we had again repeated it, it was also part of the Flow Spotlight. These are the women who after 30, 35 years or more, maybe more or less, when they had learned Kathak when they were in school and now they revived it at the Flow platform. We also had 60 Flow members who got a chance to walk in confidence and grace on stage. Flow Premier League was a team building event which brought up and polished leadership skills of 10 captains and vice captains who handled 170 members in all. Flow Trailblazers Awards, a unique platform and higher brand visibility to women at large, where 65 members participated. We also have planned a knowledge sharing event with Choitram International School on 22nd Feb. Thanks to Avasti sir, we have him with us here from Choitram School for providing us with this opportunity. Thank you, sir. From Flow Indore, a team of 10 young moms and entrepreneurs will be sharing their thoughts in various panel discussions at the event. When we talk about member networking, in our first event, we floated a simple idea of grouping our members by first alphabet of their name by introducing Alpha Squad. It caught up so well that members are engaging within those groups. Also, during Flow Spotlight and Flow Premier League, the engagement among members reached to its peak due to dance performances and other team building activities, also enhancing their talents. So, it had to cut the long story short. The gist of the story is, reason for sharing all the details is when we are talking about impact, we are proud to say that we have directly impacted 145 Flow individual members and their businesses this year and created stage opportunities for 245 members this year. I also very proudly announce that our team successfully completed 90 events in this year, directly impacting 145 members and their businesses and creating total impact on 8796 women at large. Make some noise if you agree that we have actually grew with Flow. This is a number which cannot be achieved alone. Gratitude to the entire team who made this possible. I also like to add that the size and scale of Flow Indore is hitting new milestones each year. Thanks to hard work of all its past chairs, in 10 years we have grown from 44 members to 750 members today. The demand and consumption of resources have gone to the next level. We account for every penny that we earn and that we spend. May I request my extra talented and warm committee and office bearers to please stand at their place. Can we have the committee slide, please? Yeah. Please, all the committee and office bearers, please stand at your place. They deserve a huge round of applause for managing such an eventful year. I thoroughly enjoyed it and I hope you all did as well. It is these members whose efforts have paved well. Thank you. Now I request the AV team to showcase the glimpse of events done at Flow. This video does not cover all events but the highlights of the year. members, I think this was made 8 days back. New members added till date are 125, and we are really proud of it. This has been an incredible year in my life too. So I take a moment of gratitude, and this being towards the end of my tenure, with another month, one more month left, and we have had a wonderful experience, enriching experience, I'm sure for the members, but for me too. So I had two focuses for the year, my son who is in 12th and flow. Everything else took a back seat, especially mummy, papa, my daughter Ananya and Avinash, who gracefully accepted it and paved the way for me. It is my daughter Ananya and Avinash who forced me to take this responsibility. They always believed in me. They are the biggest cheerleader and had been a strongest support system throughout the year. Proud of my son Sid for being so independent and smart. Siddharth and Meghna, thank you for always being there as my strong pillars. All past chairs, thank you for all your guidance and support throughout. And my incredible team, it wouldn't have been possible without you. Usually it is said कि chairperson के घर पे शादी है, but I think we are 25 members. And this event or all events throughout the year, all 25 members के घर पे शादी थी. All 90 events, for all 90 events. I also take this moment to thank Mr. Shankar Lalwani ji for graciously accepting all the requests Flow made and for making this year eventful. Thank you, sir. Thank you, members, for always bestowing your trust in me. Enjoy the evening and let's applaud the women of today. Thank you.
Everyone, year 24-25 at FICCI. What does this mean? Was it just a social gathering? Shayad nahi. It was living with Sabka Saath and Sabka Vishwas, a place for opportunity and inclusivity. Opportunity to evolve personally and professionally. Opportunity to find lifelong friendships. Opportunity for lifetime learnings. A privilege to engage with trailblazing females who are reshaping the world by being in it. Opportunity to refine my perspective and to strengthen me. It was inclusivity. Inclusivity of being. This year has truly made me a better person and a more compassionate human being. Thank you for this inspiring, impactful, and inclusive journey. Looking forward for more such moments, and truly I am proud and honored to be part of this incredible moment called Flow, and I am sure you all are. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Garjana. I request Ms. Ruchi Gupta to kindly share her experience too, please. Ms. Ruchi Gupta.
Good evening, one and all. Leadership is not about taking in charge. It is about taking charge of the one with you. And I think our loving chairperson, architect Vibha Jain Sethi, has fulfilled this definition. This 24-25 tenure was nothing short of being exceptional. Under Vibha's outstanding leadership, every event was curated flawlessly and it had impacted everyone in a positive way of all those who were involved in it, either the members who were participating or the team who was organizing it. Vibha's vision, dedication, and ability to bring people together made this journey truly remarkable. From start to finish, everything was achieved with excellence and flawless, aiming Vibha's ability to achieve success in everything. I think she raised the bar of each event for herself, and the next event she was about to achieve it. We are truly obliged. I mean, I am truly obliged to attend each and every event of this tenure. Be it knowing the members of your alphabet, or meeting esteemed political figures or celebrities, the FPL, the knowing ourselves in the dark, everything was done in a dedicated manner. Thank you, Flow team and Vibha, for an incredible time. All praise to ma'am, Vibha ma'am, and the Always On Toes team. This year has been remarkable in every sense. We all have grown with Flow, and we have empowered the women in every sense. Thank you so much.
Our chairperson firmly believes in inclusivity and promotes events organized for members and by members, as she said. The spirit of collaboration defines Flow. One such highlight was the exciting Flow Premier League. And today, we are thrilled to present one of the winning group, Shakti. Get ready for a power-packed performance that showcases their strength and unity.
Namaste all. For today's prestigious event, we have come up with a meaningful social message that is humanity over pseudo-feminism. We believe in equal rights, not reservations or victimhood, and represent Shakti. Shakti, the union of masculine and feminine strengths. इस मैसेज को हमने एक स्वरचित कविता और एक नृत्य नाटिका में पिरोया है, जिसके 3 भाग हैं। पहले क्रम में है स्वयं शक्ति, दूसरे पर वीरांगना महारानी लक्ष्मीबाई, और तीसरे क्रम पर है आज की नारी, आप और हम, जो सक्षम हैं और नई उड़ान पर हैं। और इसी क्रम में नृत्य नाटिका भी है। पहला भाग शक्ति। शक्ति हूँ, भक्ति हूँ, भक्तों की भगवती हूँ मैं। भूत हूँ, भविष्य हूँ, इस क्षण का अस्तित्व हूँ मैं। गर्भ हूँ ब्रह्मांड का, जीवन की उत्पत्ति हूँ मैं। भंडार हूँ मैं ज्ञान का, आद्य और अनंत हूँ मैं। दैत्यों से कापी जब धरा, असुरों की अवनति हूँ मैं। शक्ति हूँ, भक्ति हूँ, भक्तों की भगवती हूँ मैं। दूसरा हिस्सा आधारित है महारानी लक्ष्मीबाई पर। मर्दानी हूँ, भवानी हूँ, झांसी की रानी हूँ मैं। बचपन की मनुकर्णिका, निपुण, निडर, स्वाभिमानी हूँ मैं। आई महलों पर जब विपदा, दृढ़ इरादों में आसमानी हूँ मैं। दुश्मन थर थर काँप गए, देश प्रेमी बलिदानी हूँ मैं। शक्ति हूँ, भक्ति हूँ, भक्तों की भगवती हूँ मैं। तीसरा भाग आज की नारी। दीप्त हूँ, सशक्त हूँ, जीवन का प्रवाह हूँ। सेविका हूँ मानवता की, पूज्य मदर टेरेसा हूँ मैं। इस कविता में आपको कुछ ऐसे नामों का, हस्तियों का जिक्र मिलेगा जिसमें सौभाग्यवश हम सब शरीक हुए हैं, थैंक्स टू फिकी फ्लो फॉर पास्ट फ्यू ईयर्स एंड दिस ईयर एज वेल। सेविका हूँ मानवता की, पूज्य मदर टेरेसा हूँ मैं। नब की जो मिसाल बने, अभेद्य टेसी थॉमस हूँ मैं। तकनीक हूँ कल्याण की, सादगी से भरी सुधा हूँ मैं। निर्भय हो समाज मेरा, विश्वास की किरण हूँ मैं। उल्लास हूँ मैं जीवन का, प्रभात सी विभा हूँ मैं। सरल हूँ, सौम्य हूँ, समता की रक्षक हूँ मैं। उम्मीद हूँ बदलाव की, आज की नारी हूँ मैं। शक्ति हूँ, भक्ति हूँ, भक्तों की भगवती हूँ मैं।
शिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरधर्षिणि धर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते भुवनमोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि कल्मषमोषिणि घोषरते तनुजनिरोषिणि दितिसुतरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
तिनका था हमने सवारा अपनी वो माटी और घर बारा लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन आंखों से अपनी लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन आंखों से अपनी संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े हर द्वार खोल के गगन गए विजयी भव विजयी भव
आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी जान को चाहे छलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी जान को चाहे छलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी छू के देखो दिल मेरा तुम्हें दिल में अपने बदलूंगी पर छेड़ के देखो तुम मुझको मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी
Shakti. I'm still getting goosebumps. Ladies and gentlemen, these ladies do deserve a huge round of applause. Please, तालियों में कंजूसी ना करें. Thank you so much. As we all know that this year marks a significant milestone for us as we celebrate the 10th anniversary of Flow Indore chapter, I request our chairperson to kindly take this 10th year celebration ahead, please.
Flow 10 years celebration. It is our past chairs celebration. Flow FICCI Ladies Organization is a business chamber with 20 chapters and 12,000 members across India and nationals at Delhi, and came to Indore with the effort of our Honorable Founder Chairperson, Ms. Aarti Sanghi, in the year 2014. The first step is the toughest move, which she bravely and graciously took. The hard work that she had put in to nurture this baby, starting with the strength of 44 members and continued with the efforts put in by our other past chairpersons, has successfully resulted into entering a double digit in numbers of years and soon reaching 4 digits in number of members. We have worked with a mission of helping our members grow in their businesses and have been successfully doing it. I request our AV team to please play the 10 years video celebrating the dedication of our past chairpersons.
They are our strong pillars who have helped Flow Indore reach great heights today. A huge round of applause for these ladies, please. I request Vibhaji to please escort Shri Lalwani ji and Joyshri ji on stage for the felicitation, please. I request the dignitaries to honor our past chairs for their remarkable contributions. I request Ms. Aarti Sanghi, Founder Chairperson 2014-16, to please come forward for the felicitation, please. Having witnessed the remarkable growth of Flow Indore chapter from its inception, Aarti ji has been a guiding force behind all our success. A huge round of applause for Aarti ji, please. I now request Ms. Meghna Wadhwani, past chairperson 16-17, to please come forward to receive the felicitation, please. She guided the organization to stand tall with confidence from its early stages. A huge round of applause for Ms. Meghna, please. I now request Ms. Neha Mittal, past chairperson 17-18, to come forward for the felicitation. Her tenure marked significant achievements like food ATMs to TEDx. A huge round of applause for Neha ji. I request Ms. Rekha Mehta, past chairperson 18-19, to come forward for the felicitation. Her tenure was highlighted by Swayam, the impactful mentoring initiative. A huge round of applause for Rekha ji, please. I request Ms. Bhavna Bhalla, past chairperson 19-20, to come forward for the felicitation. During her tenure at Flow, Bhavna ji significantly advanced the empowerment of women through education. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We We acknowledge Ms. Ria Chabra, past chair 2021 in absentia, for her contributions. We also acknowledge Ms. Neetu Kohli, current GB member and past chair 21-22 in absentia, for her continuous contribution towards industrial park. I further request Ms. Payal Agrawal, past chairperson 22-23, to please receive the felicitation. She infused flow with a vibrant carnival atmosphere and holded the Flow GB meeting. A huge round of applause, please. I request Ms. Mamta Bakliwal, immediate past chairperson 23-24, to please come forward. She, ladies and gentlemen, provided Flow with valuable exposure through the Business Expo and laid the foundation for business-oriented mindset. A huge round of applause for Ms. Mamta Bakliwal, please. May I request the ladies to please join for a group picture. Ladies,
August gathering present here to witness the Trailblazer Awards in celebration of the 10th year at Flow Indore. Honorable President of FICCI Ladies Organization, Mrs. Joyshri Das Verma, respected Sri Shankarji Lalwani, distinguished dignitaries and the Indore Flow fraternity. It is with immense joy and gratitude that I, Aarti Sanghi, founder chairperson Flow Indore, stands before you today to celebrate the 10 years of the existence of Flow in Indore. In 2014, when I launched Flow in Indore as the 11th chapter, it was a small beginning with a vision to create a platform of sustainability for women empowerment. The past decade has surely been more than humbling and fulfilling, exciting and empowering, and a good enough reason to celebrate this achievement. Apart from countless member engaging and learning events, I would like to highlight some of the successful initiatives carried out from inception till date. Sanitary napkin dispensing machines was installed in schools for girls belonging to the grassroots level. Food ATMs were installed outside hotels to feed the needy. Several libraries in schools for the underprivileged children were built. Cycles for girls were donated. Skilling initiatives like stitching and training women for Japa jobs were given. Weavers were supported through our fashion events, Skill Dan and at Anganwadis, financial literacy training sessions, adoption of Ekal Vidyalayas, creation of startup ecosystem to ensure greater women entrepreneurship, technology-related training imparted to girls with an assurance of jobs, and much more. I would like to applaud all the past chairs and the current chair to have brought Flow Indore chapter to remarkable heights induced by dedication, collaboration, teamwork, and shared vision. Today is truly a momentous occasion for the chapter, as we have the distinct honor of welcoming our esteemed National President of Flow amongst us. Joyshri and I go back a long way, as I reminisce the year that I was founder chair of Indore. Joyshri coincidentally was chairing the Northeast chapter in the same year. In a matter of only 10 years, Joyshri has risen to prominence and has been chosen to become the national president of Flow, which is a testament to the significance of her vision, talent, hard work, dedication, and mostly the commitment to this prestigious organization. Joyshri, on behalf of all of us here at Flow Indore, I extend my heartfelt gratitude and warm welcome to you. Please allow me to brief you about her tenure. Our visionary president's vision for 2024-25 is collective vision, collaborative action. This theme encapsulates her vision for Flow, which includes building a strong, inclusive community for progress, promoting individual businesses and career growth, making Flow an aspirational organization for women across India. Joyshri started her tenure with the milestone of launching the Siliguri chapter in West Bengal. Joyshri led the FICCI Flow business mission to the Scandinavian countries in Europe. This mission was a resounding success, filled with meaningful business interactions and new partnerships. Under the able guidance of Joyshri, Flow set a new benchmark with the Trade Connect event, hosting representatives from 20 embassies and high commissions. This facilitated impactful B2B interactions, enabling our members to explore international trade opportunities. The Unstoppable Leader facilitated the Cyber Security and Artificial Intelligence training program conducted in collaboration with the Embassy of Lithuania, thereby equipping women with cutting-edge skills in these crucial areas, proving to be extremely valuable. Joyshri thereafter led the Business and Cultural Immersion delegation to London, comprising of 13 dynamic members. I am proud to announce that amongst the 13, 2 members were from Indore, namely immediate past chairperson Mamta Bakliwal and current chair Vibha Jain Sethi. This initiative provided unparalleled exposure to global practices while fostering cross-cultural exchanges to strengthen our international presence. Another key highlight of Joyshri's term is the Women at Work stakeholders in the Spotlight Conclave. This transformative event brought together policymakers, industry leaders, to address critical pillars of women's workforce participation and gender equity.